Hey, welcome back to T Academy. In today's video, we are going to see how to install Python on Windows step by step. At the first place, we have to download Python. To download Python, you have to choose your browser. It's up to you. As for me, I have Microsoft Edge and I have Google Chrome. So you have to choose any browser you have on your laptop. Then you click on the browser, you double click on the browser. I open it, then you check for Python. Okay, www, okay, python.org. This is the official website for Python. Then when I click here, I will see the official website for Python. Okay, in that case, I have to come here. Okay, I have to come to download and download now. You will see the latest version of Python, So here we have for download for Windows. This is the latest version for Python. So you click on this one. When you click on it, it will directly download. It's easy to download, not difficult. When it download, you click on download. Then you click on download. When you click on download, you have here download here. So what you have to do, you have to double click on the download. When double click on the download, it's simple to install. Python is simple to install. So we have this window. Okay, you have this window. But what to do here? We have customize and we have install now. And here we have use admin. Okay, use admin. This is use admin and this is add Python. Okay, use admin and add to Python. So what you have to do, you have to check on this one, add Python to the path. Add Python to the path means what? We will use Python will directly go to the command prompt. It will directly be installed on the command prompt. So when we finish installing, you have to go and check if Python is exactly installed in our window, in our laptop. So for that, you click on install now. But as for me, I already have Python installed on my laptop. So what I have to do, I am not going to click here, but for you, you have to click. When you click, it will just show you, okay, it will start installing. And if something will, like the window will come, it will just be next until finish. When installation finish, you have to close it. Then when I have Python installed, so I'm not going to execute the command. Then yes, I don't want, I already Python is already installed. Then what I have to do, I have to come now on my command prompt. So how to access in your command prompt is simple. You can say Windows, you can take Windows plus R on your keyboard. Then this is your command prompt, CMD. Then it will open CMD. Or what you have to do, simple again, you can just come here, click and write CMD. Then this will show command prompt. Then we click. It will be the same prompt will show. Then to know now Python is exactly installed in our laptop, what we have to do, we will write a Python, okay, Python space minus version to know exactly the version of Python we have. Then it will show my Python version 3.12. This is my version. But for you, it can vary. Make sure you have 3. This value can vary. It can be 12, 13, okay, 10. It's up to the latest version. So it will directly install the latest version. Then when we finish, we have to check the package. Exactly, Python package are installed. How to check that one? So we'll use a pip, okay, pip space minus version again. This will show also Python package. We'll use pip at the end, like we'll use pip to install libraries like pandas, numpy, okay, we'll use pip to install those ones. But now we are just checking if the package is installed. Yes, Python package installed, pip Python 3, okay, 12. So if that is these two commands are successfully executed, these two commands are successfully executed, it means that you have successfully installed Python in your laptop. So what next? Next video, we are going to download and install step-by-step VS Code, okay, and prepare our environment for Python development. Okay, thank you for watching, and let's see